Good day, everyone. My name is Educator Mary, and I'm an educator and entrepreneur. And today we'll be looking into this wonderful subject, which is Introduction to Entrepreneurship. And our lesson objectives are: what is entrepreneurship? Who is an entrepreneur? What are the characteristics of entrepreneurship? And lastly, the importance of entrepreneurship. To start with, I'm very sure that you are conversant with these people that are selling things around you. You see this, like, for instance, Success Lord buying and selling shops. You see this, Good to Go, Baby Salon. All these shops that you're looking at, they are actually entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship is the process of creating and running a business to earn a profit. I repeat, entrepreneurship is the process of creating and running a business to earn a profit. So observe the underlying words here: process, creating, running, business, profit. So these words are key points in entrepreneurship. That means entrepreneurship is a process. It's not something you can just wake up in the morning and then you jump into it. It's just a process, okay? And the process includes creating. Okay, you must be a creator, and after you create, you run a business. Many people actually create. Many people they've seen problem and they have actually gathered their facts, but to run it is actually a problem. But now, as an entrepreneur, you must be able to create and then run your business for what? To earn a profit. That is every aim of every business owner. No business owner wants to lose or run at loss. So we want to all make profit. So who's an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who creates and runs their own business. And that's a short word. It's a person who creates and runs his or her own business, be it small scale business or large scale business. So what are the characteristics of entrepreneurship? Number one, risk taking. That is one of the process. Okay, it's require taking risk. Number two is innovative. You must be innovative, you must be creative. Number three, passionate. You must be passionate about what you're about to start. That business, okay, that product, that service, you must be passionate about it. Then flexible. It must be flexible. It must be as simple as it is, so that people can actually buy into it. Then goal-oriented. Every business must have a goal, be it short or long-term goal. So what are the importance of entrepreneurship to students? Maybe you are saying, educator, I'm a student, so why do I need to start business and I don't even have capacity? Then these are some of the importance. Number one, it helps to develop innovation. As a student, you begin to look at the problems around you, then you begin to think of how you can solve it. This is what entrepreneurship will actually do for you. Then number two is foster risk taking. Like you said, one of the characteristics is that you must be able to take risk. Okay. Number three is that it builds confidence and self-reliance. For instance, I'm an educator and I'm also an entrepreneur. I have products that I'm actually putting out there and it's serving people. So it's built my confidence because I'm also influencing my social ethics. Number three is that it enhances career opportunity. A student who studied entrepreneurship have 100% opportunity to make a right decision career making. Okay, the last one, number five, which is develop valuable skills. You have valuable skills in your life that you can actually use to run through life, especially in this unchanging world. So some life examples are Thomas Edison. He once said that I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Okay. Another person said, that is Dyson, saying, I made 5,126 prototypes of vacuum before I got it right. So that is risk taking. These people are flexible. They want to do something that will actually impact. So they are not giving up. You see, 5,126 times before it will get it done. So we have many more people like that, even around us. We have all these small business around us, small business owners that are not giving up. Talking of industries, factory, food industries, music, entertainment, fashion. These people didn't give up, they actually rise up to do something that will impact their society. So I'll leave you with this. What is that business you would like to do? What is that thing that is inside of you that you actually want to start so that you can make money, so that you can bring food to the table like they will always say. Then also, the most important thing is to also contribute positively to the economy of the society. You know, we are actually saying our government has failed us, they are failing. Then what can we do? What can you do so that we can all go together and make a positive change in this changing world? Thank you.